What's up everybody, I'm back with another trading session. Today we're gonna take a couple of trades. Okay, you see that we have a couple of rejections here, right? So it means that there's a lot of sellers. So now if we have any other reason to take a sell here, we have ABC to the downside. Now we try to break this strong rejection plus that ABC, right? I will take a sell trade here, but if you go to the, let's go. I got two entries here because we basically have been breaking the strong supply, okay? And I'm expecting a red one. We also have this gap down, but I don't care about the gap down here because the probability of sellers to enter is just a lot higher than that. Yeah, so I go with sellers here. And let's see, we'll add a couple of pairs just. All right, we have this pretty nice round number. The first trade was a winning trade. We have pretty nice round number here, but it didn't touch a round number, so it basically reversed from this trend line, but no worries, I'm just gonna wait for this to close down here, or I might enter with marginal safety. Let's go for marginal safety. I enter right here. In this case, I'm not expecting a breakout like this because first time it wasn't able to do that, so why would the second time come and break that? So I'm expecting a rejection, something like that. And I entered exactly on the round number. It could be better if I enter lower than that. And I'm telling you again, if I wasn't seeing this candle before this running candle, I wouldn't take this trade. Okay, I wouldn't take this trade because it was possible to just break everything and drop. Okay, exactly close on this round number. Now I'm gonna go with the bars, but this time for 25. Oh my god, my entry is so bad. Yeah, because it's closing on the round number. Okay, if in this case, if it's gonna break, it's gonna either break on this candle or it's gonna reverse to the upside. Okay, yeah, my entry is so bad, but I'm not gonna add more trades to this one because it's not something to add. Okay, I wouldn't add that to this trade. It's possible to break if we had in this lower low. Okay, we also have the higher high, but you know, this lower low right here and this candle's pretty big body. Okay, it was a winning trade. If this is a hammer, I would go with the bars again. Okay, all right, we have this gap down as well. Let's go with 100 again. Let's go with the bars here. We're either gonna create this red green pattern or we're just gonna go up. It's a high probability to go up, that's why I go with the buyers. Let's draw this precisely. Oh, basically, okay, no problem. We're breaking this trend line now. It's still possible to have a green candle, but you know what? If you go to the lower time frame, you will have this price channel coming up like this. Okay, and you can see that. Let's just go to the lower time frame. We lost this trade, no problem, but let's go to the lower time frame. I'm going to show you something. Now this is the lower time. Oh, it was a winning trade. Okay, fair enough. This is a lower time frame. Okay, this is the lower time frame, and this is the price channel I was talking about. Okay, I wouldn't say this was a good trade, to be honest. It wasn't a good trade because if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you will see that the candles are just constantly making lower lows. Okay, and for this one also higher lows. Okay, except this one. So basically it's going to create a price channel downside, and we don't know if this is going to keep creating these lower lows, or it's going to break to some at some like in a certain direction. That's why it wasn't a good trade. The only thing I would say was good about this trade is because The previous candle was a hammer candle and like it was above this round number as a level plus this buyer's entry, pretty strong buyer's entry. Okay, so let me give you a quick tip. When you have small and big shadows in a buyer's entry without any gap, it means that the buyers, it's one of the characteristics of and strong buyer's entry, just like this one. Okay, especially if this is an engulf. So yeah, so this one closing is a hammer above this round number, and the next candle starting with this gap down from the body of this hammer, it was the only reason to take this buy trade. Otherwise, it wasn't like it's exactly against the market's direction for this point, okay? Because we might just keep dropping. Let's just go to the next pair. We have a trend line here. Still a gap to the trend line. I'm gonna go with 25 here. 25, I'm not sure about this because we have round number here. Okay, no. This is a Marbuzu. I wouldn't trust this. I wouldn't trust this. I would rather to go with the buyers, but I'm just gonna watch the price now. You should be very careful about Marbuzu candles. Sometimes they are big reversal candles. They are like causing some crazy reversal, but sometimes they're just sign of free drop of the price. That's why I am not trusting this. But if you wanted to take this trade, it would be under this round number. See that? The Marbuzu is so unbelievable. That's why I don't freaking trust the Marbuzus, man. Okay. Marbuzus are crazy. And still, I don't know what the hell this market is trying to do here. I don't know if it's gonna break, if it's... Bro, what are you doing here? It's basically, hold on. It's a major uptrend if we... Oh my god. If we consider this one. Oh, look at this beautiful QM. If we consider this one as basically the price direction, it's coming down in a major scale. Okay, it's trying to come down, but I don't see, like, it's a base. Okay, it's a base with long rejections. If I want to take a trade here, I have to take my trade on the rejection points, but I don't trust this. All right, I want to take a trade on this one. This is a very nice trade, very, very nice trade. Oh, nice. Okay. This is a very nice trade, boys. 3, 2, 1. Let's go with the sellers here. Oh yes, we also have the gap up. I will add more if it goes a little more higher. Let's go, man. What is this? Let's see. I wasn't expecting this aggressive move of buyers. I'm expecting a very nice red candle here, but I don't know why the buyers are here. The buyers should be, I mean, the sellers should be triggered now and they drop, but the buyers are super aggressive. Let's see. I mean, if we're gonna lose this trade, I would go crazy, man. Okay, the reason behind this trade is pretty simple. You can't tell. This is a third touch breakout trading. This is a breakout of the doji. This is a very strong supply. Okay, that's just so many reasons. Creating lower low for the breakout. If you want to take a breakout trade at the third touch, you need to have a lower low. Okay, having a lower low will increase the probability of having this worked. Plus, we have a doji break here as well. It's another confirmation. Like, just imagine if we had this kind of closing at this round number. Oh my goodness, I would go freaking $1,000 on this trade. But this was also a pattern, 3-bar up. It needs retracement. We also got the gap up. This was the best trade of this week. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna end this right here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like for me. When I see people like the video, I go crazy to make more videos for you. So if it's helpful for you, please like the video. Okay, thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.